Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Harish Godeti and this is my channel. And if you are coming back to my channel, thanks a lot for coming back. And today's video is very interesting, especially to me, and also I'm sure it is very useful for a lot of small business owners because that's a question that I get asked very frequently. So the question here is, when small business owners think about technology or digital transformation or digitalization, they have multiple options, right? But most used or most sought after options there are two. One is Zoho One, which they call the operating system for your business, and then the second one is Kissflow Digital Workforce. The good news is I deal with both. So I mean, Zoho Consulting, I am a Zoho consultant and a Zoho affiliate as well, and I really work on Zoho platform and help clients, my clients get up and running with Zoho One as well. And also I'm a Kissflow partner, so I actually sell Kissflow. So today's video is about when to use or when to pick Zoho One and when to pick Kissflow Digital Workplace. So it is not easy to decide. It's just that you have to decide, right? And then when you decide with one platform versus the other, you are taking a decision which will reflect for years to come. So the whole idea is in this video, to give you the reasons and generally, or the recommendation on how I recommend Kissflow versus Zoho One. So when a client comes in and speaks with me, these are the things that I actually look at when I actually give a recommendation on which one to pick, right? So today's video is all about which technology. Both are awesome technologies, both are like my favorite technology out there, and I help on both both the technologies, both the products, but you got to choose, and there is a criteria on how you pick these products. And so let's learn about how do you pick if Zoho One is good for your business or Kissflow Digital Workplace is good for your business. Let's get started. So let's see how we pick Zoho One or Kissflow Digital Workplace. For those who are wondering who I am and how am I qualified to actually talk about this topic, a little bit about my background. So let's look at who I am, what I did in the past, and what I'm doing now, right? So let's look at that. So about me, I spent over 15 years in the software industry, worked with large MNCs like CA Technologies, Pitney Bowes, and fortunately during my career and various roles, I was able to build and scale products and teams. And I was instrumental in establishing multiple processes, DevOps processes, agile processes, process automation, and things like that across multiple business units. During my career, I was a lead architect for one of the process automation platform or process automation products that we used to sell. And finally, now I actually help take all my experience for the last 15 years, and now I really help small business owners scale their business with technology, and especially with Kissflow Digital Workplace. So that's about me, and over the years I learned a lot about building and scaling products, and it was very I don't say very easy, but it was comparatively very easy in a large setting like large MNC, because everyone knows that we are going to scale this product or team, and it made it a lot easier. So if you if you want to learn how to scale your business quickly, you may want to watch this video, so that you learn about how to scale your business quickly. So let's get started on the first thing I want to talk about is how do you pick Kissflow as a Kissflow Digital Workplace as a platform for it to scale your small business. So your business is a great fit for Kissflow if, let's say, you're a small business and a startup, right, and want to build a scalable business with less overhead. What I mean by that, you don't want to add like 15 team members, 20 team members, create a big departments and stuff. You want to, let's say your business is an online business where you have team spread across different geographies, right? You are a small startup or something where you have team members, but you don't want to scale it to a larger team, have a physical location, things like that. Then Kissflow is an amazing fit because it's more like plug and play, and you can get started right away. The second thing to look at is if you are really new to this business systems, processes, and automation, then I would recommend Kissflow Digital Workplace because it's a perfect fit. The reason is it comes with a lot of pre-built applications which are like you just install it and get ready to go. So if you want to know like how do you use this product, I recommend watching my video that I made around Kissflow. A brief demo of what Kissflow can do for you. The third thing is let's say you're a department head in a medium to large business, and you really don't want to rely on your IT department to cater your needs, or let's say your IT department is too busy to handle your requirements, then Kissflow is a perfect fit because it becomes your department asset, and then you can actually show and become an example for a lot of other business units or departments within your company, and you can inspire them on how easy it is to actually get your requirements met with Kissflow Digital Workplace. The next thing is this is my favorite. Even though I am a consultant, even though I do consulting, Zoho, I implement Zoho products as a small business and a startup. You don't have enough cash, or honestly, you don't need to spend so much money on consultants because consultants are expensive. They charge by the hour, right, or per project, but still they're expensive. So if you don't want to spend money on consultants as your business really needs your attention, with consultants the challenge is you're not just focusing or you're not just spending money, you have to allocate a lot of your time because if you don't tell me what to build, if you don't interact with me, I can't really build it for you, right? So it becomes really important and takes a lot of your time, and if that is not something you can spare at this time, both money and time on consultants, then Kissflow Digital Workplace is an amazing fit for you. So the next thing is let's say your business is process intensive. Let's say you have a lot of processes like in a finance, healthcare, or schools, right? You have a extensive business processes. And then Kissflow is a great fit because it comes with the process management platform, process management component in it, so that you can automate everything like within minutes. You can create all your apps, automate all of your processes very quickly, probably the fastest right now that you can build with any software product. I am confident to say that because I know how it works. The next thing is you are more like a hands-on person and want your team to know firsthand how all the automation works. What I mean by that is you don't know what you don't know, right? So as a small business owner, you probably need to know how everything works. You need to be hands-on on most activities at the beginning, and so then if that is the case, then Kissflow is a great fit because you really understand how all these automation processes and everything work without you building them because they're already in the platform, right? So that's another great option on how to automate all your you'll understand how to automate all your business processes because you're hands-on. Finally, you really understand the value or the leverage of technology, but you really don't want to spend a ton of money, right? Because you want to invest that money in your business. Then Kissflow is a great fit because it's inexpensive and compared to the value it provides. So yeah, it is an awesome product when with it's extremely high value for money. So now that I got you excited about what this Kissflow is, click on the first link in the description, and I'll give you a complete 14-day free trial of this wonderful platform. And not just that, so go to the page when you click on the link, and it has a complete explanation of what I provide as part of the package. So go through that and sign up for the free trial, because you will know how quickly you can meet all your financial goals. You can take your business to the next level, and you really crush all your financial goals with just a small step of implementing Kissflow digital workplace at your for your business. So that's how you pick, or at least I recommend initially, Kissflow digital workplace to any small business owner. Let's look at how we can pick if ZohoOne is right fit for your business. So coming to ZohoOne, your business is a great fit for ZohoOne when you are already using a ton of software products, like you're having a lot of software products for sales, email, marketing, accounting. Then you have training for your teams, office productivity tools. So if you have tools or products for all these things, then it's time you actually ditch all of them and then come onto the ZohoOne platform. So that's how ZohoOne, that's really a good fit for you. If you're part of a startup program provided either by your country or by Zoho, and you get Zoho for free, hey, if you get free for 1 year, why not, right? So just go ahead and grab it, and maybe you don't want to use it for the whole thing, but 1 year is a very good time for you to learn it. So it has ZohoOne is huge with 44 plus app, and they keep adding stuff in it. So it's huge. There's a lot of learning curve. So but 1 year is a good time for you to understand which product in the platform, which application on the platform will fit for your need. So that is another thing. And if you are a techie like me, and obviously have access to other techies who can help you, then ZohoOne is a good option, because I do use ZohoOne for my marketing automation, for my email. So there's a lot of stuff that I use it for. So if you are a techie, and I don't need any help, right, because I'm a techie. So if you are a techie and you understand all these things, ZohoOne is a good fit for you. And again, you're a business making a good amount of profit every year, and you really don't mind spending money on consultants' expertise because you already budgeted it for the year, and also understand that consultants are provide 10x value. So what you pay for a consultant is really not for the time, but the time they use to develop their expertise in that area. So like they say, when you go to a doctor for a 10-minute visit, let's say you're paying $300, you're not paying for the 10 years, you are paying for the 10 years or 15 years or 20 years that they've worked to get to a point where they can solve your problem in 10 minutes, right? So that is how the consulting business works. So I spent 15 years of my life acquiring all the skills that can really help businesses scale, like launch products and scale them. So when you pay a consultant, you're not paying for that 10 minutes or that 1 hour. You're paying for my 15 years of expertise that I can save you when I do something for you, right? So that is how it works. The next thing is ZohoOne is a great fit if you have a lot of third-party integrations, like autoresponders, WordPress, payment process, etc. If you have these integrations in place, then ZohoOne is a great fit for you. The next thing is you have an inventory-based business. Let's say you are a bakery. Let's say you are you have an e-commerce site and you have a lot of inventory that you send. Then ZohoOne comes with inventory module, which is an awesome module, and it's a great fit. ZohoOne is a great fit for you. And your business is not new. You have been there for quite some time, and let's say you have a lot of legacy systems, like old CRM software or job management software, because that's what I see right now. So there are a lot of clients who are moving away from old systems. I don't say old, but traditional systems for for CRM and job management and process automation, and coming on to Zoho One. So if you have that kind of challenge where you have legacy systems, you want to decommission them and move on to a more robust and more new and modern platform, digital, and as part of your digital transformation initiative, Zoho One is a great fit. So I hope you understand the difference, or not the difference, really understand where you fit in. The whole idea or the goal of this video is to help you figure out where you fit in both these scenarios, and then really pick a product that works for you. So I hope this is useful. If yes, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, because I'm going to add I average a video a day, so you're going to learn a lot about how to scale your business with Kissflow Digital Workplace, and also I review a lot of other technology platforms that fit into the space of building and scaling businesses. So I hope this video is useful, and thanks for watching my videos on my channel, and keep watching, and I'll share a lot of content with you. Thank you.